Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, assalam.
Okay. Okay. So let all the students get joined. Till that, I'll refresh the CNS topic from where we have Started. Only one topic is left to wind up the CNS, drug acting on CNS. तो जब तक सब join नहीं हो जाते, we'll revise how many topics we have done. So under central nervous system, so in this topic we are having six subtopics, that is 1.1. The 1.1 is sedative hypnotics, that we have done. ठीक है, sedative hypnotics ये हम लोगों ने कर दिया. sedative hypnotics we have done with the sedative and hypnotics. 1.2, it is anticonvulsant. है ना. 1.2 anticonvulsant convulsant. The notes, because so 3, 1.3 antidepressant we have done with this also. Antidepressant we have done with this. Then 1.4, it is anxiolytic agent. Yes, of course we have done with anxiolytic drugs. Then 1.5, which is going on, इट इज एंटी साइकोटिक एजेंट, है ना. ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं. एंटी साइकोटिक एजेंट, एंटी साइकोटिक और मेजर ट्रैंगुलाइजर्स, sedative and hypnotics. So here in this we are having only two drugs. In almost all we are having 12 drugs like that. 12. Here we are having uh, total we are having four or 1 2 3 4 5 synthesis in this topic. 5 synthetic scheme we have to study. Here we have to study 12 drugs. Here we have to study 10 drugs. Here we have to study 12. Here 2, and here of course 12 drugs. Okay. So among all these 12 drugs, drug bank, till that, till 1.3 I have forwarded the notes on classroom. एंटी डिप्रेसेंट तक मैंने नोट्स दिए हैं. आफ्टर एंटी डिप्रेसेंट आई डिडंट गिव एनी नोट्स. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द लास्ट टॉपिक आई एम गोइंग टू फॉरवर्ड यू द notes related to all the topics, that is drug bank plus synthetic scheme. ठीक है, plus recording and everything I'm going to forward you people, and it is up to you how you're going to take this one seriously or lightly. It depends on you people. अगर आपको पास होना है, you want to get clear the examination, then take it seriously. If you want to sit here only, then don't take seriously. Just enjoy the topics, see the recordings, go through the notes. ठीक है, अभी आपके ऊपर है उसको कैसे टैकल करते हो, है ना.
मैम
ना बोलिए.
मैम एग्जाम ऑफलाइन होगा?
अभी तक तो डिसाइड नहीं किया, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रेडी रहो ना, ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन हो. हाँ, आप मेरे बच्चों पे मुझे भरोसा है, कर लेंगे, है ना. डोंट वरी
ओके
अबाउट
मैम.
इट, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. वो ऑफलाइन होगा या ऑनलाइन, मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऑफलाइन होगा. नाउ विल सी, डीन सर क्या डिसाइड करते हैं, देखते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, विल सी, वेट फॉर द डिसीजन ऑफ डीन सर. We'll start with our topics. So this many topics all got joined, I think so. So this many topic we have covered Now we are running with antipsychotic agent. In that antipsychotic agent, we have covered up a classification up to फ्लोरोब्यूट्रोफिनोन, है ना? और फ्लोरोब्यूट्रोफिनोन we have done. कितने ड्रग्स किए हम लोगों ने एंटीसाइकोटिक में? How many drugs we have covered up? Anyone? Any students? लास्ट ड्रग कहाँ तक हुआ था अपना? फ्लोफेनाजिन. फ्लोफेनाजिन. Okay. Flufenazine. Up to flufenazine we have done. That is, we are having 10 classification in this in this topic. Antipsychotic agent phenothiazine and its derivative. Phenothiazine and its derivative के अंदर अपने पास 5 drugs we have to study. Examples of 5 drugs we are having under the subtopics. Then one synthetic scheme is there. Next, benzodiazepine we have covered up. So we don't have any kind of example related to this class of drug in our syllabus. Then flobuterolphenone, droperidol we have done. Then dihydroindole. So example of drug related to this also we are not having. Thioxanthine, that is chlorthioxanthine. Then dibenzoxepine and dibenzoxepine. Okay, up to this we have covered up. Chalo. फ्लोफिनाजिन तक किया था ना हम लोगों ने. सब टॉपिक वी हैव डन. Now, next classification, second class, we are having 10 class of drug. Next classification, we have done with phenothiazine and its derivatives के अंदर प्रोपाइल डायल्काइल अमाइन क्लोरोप्रोमाजिन का सिंथेटिक स्कीम था, वो कर दिया हम लोगों ने. Then trifluopromazine, we have done with that. Ethyl piperidine side chain, that is thioridazine, that also we have covered up. And propyl piperidine side chain, that is we have done with two structures, same structure, only the difference of alcoholic group and ethyl group at the substituted atom at end position, that we have discussed in our last lecture. Now today we are going with the second classification of antipsychotic agent. Second classification is benzodiazepine. The benzodiazepine का कोई भी example in our syllabus related to antipsychotic agent we don't have, so we'll leave it like that only. Class benzodiazepine कोई भी आपको याद आ रहा है, diazepam और oxazepam, clorazepam, वो लिख देना. Then third, we don't have any, but we are having one drug related to this topic, that is fluorobutyl, sorry, fluorobutyrophenone. Fluorobutyrophenone. So this is the class of the drug, chemical category to which this drug belongs. Example of this we are having in our syllabus, that is droperidol. Droperidol. So in antipsychotic agent, we have to study only one synthetic scheme that we have discussed in our last chapters, that is chlorpromazine. एक ही synthetic scheme पढ़ना है, बाकी के सारे 12 drugs है that we have discussed. मैं बार बार repeat कर रही हूँ, 12 drugs are there, only one synthetic scheme that we have done with it. Now the next one is droperidol. Why I am writing classification every time whenever I am starting with a new drug means that is the basic category of the drug, the example of derivative which is belonging to this class of the drug. That's why I am repeating the classification with that drug. अगर मैं ड्रग लिखूंगी उसकी केमिकल कैटेगरी बोल दूंगी, इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस ड्रग इज बिलोंगिंग टू दैट कैटेगरी, you won't remember. If I am writing like this, then you will come to know, of course it is under the classification of this category and this is example belonging to this one. ठीक है, ऐसे याद रहेगा in examination. Now fluorobutyrophenone, the droperidol is an example of fluorobutyrophenone. So this is the chemical category, fluoro basic chemical category. ये तो अपना basic nucleus रहेगा और ये example है droperidol. Now we'll see the structure of droperidol. Fluorobutyrophenone हम बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, fluorobutyrophenone. Now this one is a basic nucleus of that drug, fluorobutyrophenol. Now I'm going to write the structure of the drug fluorobutyrophenol. Of course, that is hmm, okay. I'm writing the structure fluorobutyrophenol, that is droperidol. So one benzene ring, we know the indole structure of indole, five membered ring and one benzene ring. Okay, indole we have done with the structure, the basic structure indole, and with that indole we are having one ketonic group. Okay, so that ketonic group, in that indole introduce one more nitrogen atom over here. ठीक है, so याद रखने के लिए, so one more nitrogen atom over here, five membered ring with two nitrogen atom and one benzene ring, one ketonic group, five membered ring. Now which one is major and which one is minor? Now, this one is minor and this one is major because the major contain two nitrogen atom with the ketonic group. हम लोगों ने heterocyclic nomenclature में पढ़ा था, the ring which is contain more than one heteroatom or any kind of substituent attached to that membered ring, that can be considered as a basic nucleus, basic ring. The numbering we are going to start with the basic ring. Okay, so this basic ring joined one more connection with the nitrogen atom. So here we are having one more connection. ऊपर से आने वाला है structure, तो we need a space for that, so much of space. Five membered ring, one nitrogen atom over here and one ketonic group over here. Okay, so this one is connected. So फ्लोरोब्यूटेरोफिनोन, फ्लोरीन फ्लोरोब्यूटेरोफिनोन, जब ये बोल रहा प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो रहा है द बेसिक ड्रग, ऑफ कोर्स वी आर हैविंग वन फ्लोरीन ग्रुप, one fluoro group. So this one is nitrogen atom. That nitrogen atom near to that we are having one double bond. And butyrophenone, of course, butyl group is also there, and butyrophenone is there means it is connected with the ketonic group. ठीक है, देखो मैं बता इसलिए रही हूँ कि बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेम्बर द स्ट्रक्चर्स. ठीक है, सो नाउ butyrophenone CH2, CH2, of course one more CH2 and one carbonyl group. Now it is butyrophenone, but it is fluorobutyrophenone. ठीक है, fluorobutyrophenone. It means that the phenolic group merged with the fluorine atom, one ketonic group with the butyl atom. So this is the basic nucleus. To this basic nucleus, these atoms were attached. So these moieties were attached to this basic nucleus because this drug is belonging to this category. Now the name of this drug, whole drug, is droperidol. Up. Now the major part of this one is writing the chemical name for the structure. तो अभी मैं chemical नाम कैसे लिखूंगी? I can't mug up the name for each and every drug. To make it easy, what I will do, I will give the labeling to the carbon atom as well as the heteroatoms which were attached to the ring. So 1, 2, 3, and this one is a fourth one, fourth carbon atom which is attached. Now I have to give numbering to this also, 1, 2, 3, because I have to mention the fluorine atom where it is present. 5, 6. Of course, we are done with this. Now, see the numbering for this. I am not going to start from this onward because double bond. We are in nomenclature of heterocyclic atom. We have studied that give priority to the saturated carbon atom if your molecule is partially unsaturated. ठीक है, now this one is not fully saturated, not fully unsaturated, this is partially unsaturated. So we are not going to give priority to the atom which are having double bond. We are going to give the priority to the carbon atom which are not having any kind of double bond. So we can start from this anywhere we can start, but this carbon atom is major one which is attached to this 5-membered ring connected. So we are going to start the numbering from this onward. 1 2 3 4. क्यों ऐसे आई, मैं ऐसे भी जा सकती हूँ ना. So we are not going priority to this one, we are going priority to the saturated carbon atom, not unsaturated one. ठीक है. 5 and 6 done. So now we are having nitrogen atom carbonyl group one, this one nitrogen atom. तो नंबरिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस वन इज NH. ठीक है. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑनवर्ड. अगर यहाँ से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 2 3 इसको मिलेगा. ठीक है. बट दिस वन इज अ मेजर रिंग, इसको हम हटा देंगे. देन वी आर गोइंग टू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू दिस नाइट्रोजन आइटम, नॉट टू दिस नाइट्रोजन आइटम. ठीक है. सो इधर से नंबरिंग नहीं स्टार्ट कर सकते बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड टू दिस वन. Of course it is near to this saturated bond, the unsaturated carbonyl group. So we are going to give priority to the saturated hydrogen atom, that is hydra. So we are going to start from this onward 1. ठीक है. अगर इन एग्जामिनेशन यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूजन टू सब, बट इसका नंबरिंग यही रहना चाहिए जो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर या जो रूल कहता है. व्हाट रूल सेज दैट नंबरिंग you have to give to the basic nucleus. If substituted atom is there like this kind of nitrogen atom with the carbonyl, this kind of heteroatom or functionalities are there, here you are having same kind of heteroatoms. The two aza groups were there, one carbonyl group. So you are getting confused, should we start from this numbering from this onward, from this onward. No doubt if you are starting from that, if you are starting from this, but give proper labeling while writing the chemical name to the structure. ठीक है. वन मैंने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है. इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑनवर्ड इट्स ओके, बट गिव द प्रॉपर लेबलिंग while writing the IUPAC name. अगर confusion हो रहा है, don't worry about it. You start from here, you start from this onward, because some books they have started from this onward, you are having different chemical name. So because of this they have started from here onwards, that's why you are having different chemical name. Okay, but in books you are not going to get any kind of labeling to the carbon atom, because the writer knows that till that you have studied 3 organic chemistry, you peoples are well perfect with giving the chemical name to the structure. ठीक है. अब हमको पता है कि आप लोग कर सकते हो. वी कांट गिव, छोटे बच्चों की तरह लेबलिंग हर बड़े बड़े बुक्स में नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है. तो आप मैं यहाँ पे बता रही हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन यू द केमिकल नेम. 1 2 3 and of course this one is in sharing, we are not going to give the numbering. 4 5 6 and 7. ठीक है. So this is 7A, this is 4A, 7A 7B or 4A 4B. This is in sharing. ठीक है. या तो ये शेयरिंग या तो ये शेयरिंग हो गया अभी. नाउ वी हैव डन विद द लेबलिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द name, chemical name, IUPAC name for the structure. IUPAC name for this one. ठीक है. So we have, so this structure is very big, little bit tricky. So on third position, so we are going to give the priority to the basic nucleus which is connected fluorobutyrophenone. ठीक है. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं थर्ड पोजीशन से ऑन दिस नाइट्रोजन आइटम. अगर आपने नंबर 1 दिया है देन यू राइट 1. इफ यू हैव गेव 3 देन यू राइट 3. अगर आपने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है इट विल गेट नंबर 1, बट कार्बोनियल ग्रुप ऑफ कोर्स एनीवे इट गोइंग टू गेट नंबर 2 ओनली. ठीक है. 3 I am going to write one square bracket because so many connections are there. So all those connection, the connecting point I have to mention over here. 3 on first position, this butyl group on first position, one butyl group is there. Of course another one connection is there, that is फ्लोरोफिनॉल. ये है एक ग्रुप और ये एक ग्रुप है. वन मोइटी, वन यूनिट over here, one unit this, one unit this and one unit this. ठीक है. एक खत्म किया 1 and fourth position 4, what we are having 4 फ्लोरोफिनाइल. On fourth position, we are having fluoro group. 4 fluoro FLU. है वो, ये तो लिखा मैंने FLUO RONYL फ्लोरोफिनाइल. ठीक है, फ्लोरोफिनाइल. On fourth position, what we are having? Fourth position, 4 ऑक्सी. ठीक है, ऑक्सी ब्यूटाइल. ऑक्सी ब्यूटाइल. वी आर गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस वन. ठीक है, एक खत्म हुआ. 4 ऑन फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट से 4 ऑक्सी ब्यूटाइल. ये तो बीच में का कनेक्शन है इसका, उसको हमने ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया. 4 फ्लोरो ब्यूटाइल. फोर्थ पोजीशन पे. ओके 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 ओके. सी, मैं जब गड़बड़ कर सकती हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है. I have to write that one in a bracket. 4 on fourth position to this we are having 4 fluorophenyl. Fluorophenyl. And now close this bracket. 4 fluorophenyl. ये bracket, this is in bracket because this is the connecting moiety which is attached. On fourth position oxybutyl. ठीक है, fourth position oxybutyl. And first position this whole basic nucleus is attached. तो उसको बंद कर दिया, हो गया काम इसका. On third position we have to mention now. On third position. ठीक है, 3 पे इतना करेक्ट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑन 1 का नहीं कनेक्ट, हमने अभी ब्रैकेट क्लोज नहीं किया. ऑन 1 वी आर हैविंग 1 वी आर हैविंग 1 2 3. ठीक है, 3 6. हाउ मेनी सैचुरेशंस आर देयर? 1. इट इज कनेक्टिंग टू दैट. यहाँ पे इतना स्पेस नहीं है. कनेक्टिंग टू दिस we are having how many? 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6. ये 1, ये 2, ये 3 और ये 6. 1 2 3 6. How many hydras are there? 4 hydras are there. 1 3 6. Tetrahydro ketone we are having. Tetrahydro 2H pyridine. Pyridine, this one is a pyridine which is attached. Pyridine 4. This one is 4L. 4L. Now we are going to close this bracket. ठीक है, pyridine 4L. 4H pyridine 4L. इसका काम खत्म हो गया. Now one more ring what we are having now, this 4L. Now this connection, the unit of connection which is attached on this third part. So continuation with this chemical name. ठीक है, 1H नाइट्रोजन आइटम का. 1H दिस नाइट्रोजन आइटम थर्ड पार्ट. 1H ये नाइट्रोजन आइटम का हाइड्रोजन आइटम. नाउ whole unit which is connected, that is benzyl benz imidazole 2 on. So this is about the chemical name. ठीक है, understood? So this is about the chemical name for droperidol. Droperidol, of course, it is uses. This is belonging to the category of fluorobutyrophenone chemical category. The brand name of this drug is enapsin. INAPSINE, enapsine. Brand name of this drug, generic name of this drug is droperidol only, brand name is enapsine. Then uses of this droperidol, uses, it is used as antipsychotic agent. Of course it is antipsychotic agent. Under antipsychotic agent, it is particularly used in the treatment of, used to block the action of dopaminergic receptor, that is anti dopaminergic नर्जिक एंटी डोपामिनर्जिक. ठीक है, एंटीसाइकोटिक के अंदर पर्टिकुलरली ब्लॉकिंग द एक्शन ऑफ डोपामाइन, दैट इज एंटी डोपामिनर्जिक. देन it is also used as, this droperidol also used as antiemetics, antiemetic, particularly vomiting in pregnancy, droperidol antiemetic. Then antipsychotic of course मैंने बोल दिया. And it also used as intensive care treatment, intensive care treatment. If any patient is under intensive care, he is having sensation of vomiting, then we are going to give droperidol injection to that patient. So it is used as multiple uses are there for this droperidol. It is used as antiemetic, antipsychotic, and it can also be utilized in intensive care treatment, treatment as sedative. Sedative, sedative आपको पता ही है definition. What is sedative? Relaxation. Hypnotics, if we are going to increase the level of the drug, then it will act as an hypnosis. Hypnosis is the sleep which is resemble with the natural sleep. ठीक है. Now this is about the example of the class of drug which is belonging to category of fluorobutyrophenol. Now next drug, that is droperidol. Droperidol को हमने कर दिया. Then fourth one is Rauwolfia alkaloids. So this is also not there. Any example from your syllabus? It is not there, but it is the classification Rauwolfia alkaloids. Rauwolfia alkaloids. Alkaloids. So any example reserpine अगर याद आ रहा है then लिख दो. Then fifth one is dihydroindole. This is also not, any kind of example is not there in your syllabus. Dihydroindole. See, pharmaceutical chemistry or medicinal chemistry is amalgamation of so many kind of drug belonging to this category. So, but in your syllabus, they have extracted out and they have mentioned particular drug, particular class of drug which are most useful, widely useful. Means basic needs जो drug है, those drugs were included in your syllabus. Not almost all drug, पूरे के पूरे नहीं है तो उतने याद भी नहीं रख सकोगे आप लोग. Dihydroindole, indolol. Then sixth one is, so you are having one example from this category, thioxanthine. Thioxanthine. Total 10 हमने बोला था. Now this one is the sixth category. From this you are having one example. Thioxanthine and its derivative, and that you are having in your syllabus, you are having chlorprothiazine. You are having one example. So this is the chlorprothiazine. This is belonging to the category of thioxanthine and its derivative. A derivative of thioxanthine, a chlorprothiazine is the derivative of thioxanthine. Okay? So this one drug you are having in your syllabus. According to your university syllabus, you have to study the structure, uses, chemical name, chemical category of this drug, brand name, generic name, जो नाम वो रहेगा that is the generic name. What is natural name of the drug, derivative का नाम ही रहेगा, that is generic name. And brand name, brand names are the names which are given by the companies according to their feasibility. But here generic names are the name for those drugs which were derived from that category. ठीक है. Chlorprothiazine, this is the generic name, whatever it may be. The brand name is simple. because the company don't want that much of pronunciation can be done by the patients. ठीक है. Brand name is Troxal, Truxal. This is the brand name, and this one is a generic name for this drug. ठीक है. Now the structure, as the name indicate, thioxanthin. तो थायोक्सैंथीन अपना क्या है? थायो मीन्स thioxanthin, thiol group, but here we are having chlorprothioxanthin, chlorprothiaxine, thiaxine, not thioxanthin, chlorprothiaxine we are having. It means that one sulfur group, of course, it is there in the group. Chlor means one chlorine atom is there. Prothioxanthin. Pro means phenanthrene group is there. It means that three membered cyclic ring is there. तीन रिंग है अपने पास. द नेम इट सेल्फ, प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ जेनेरिक नेम इट सेल्फ सेज दैट हाउ मेनी नेम रिंग्स आर स्ट्रक्चर्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर द ड्रग इज हैविंग. ठीक है. जो जेनेरिक नाम रहेगा, जेनेरिक नेम रहेगा ड्रग का, सिमिलरली दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ड्रग, डेरिवेटिव क्लास ऑफ द ड्रग. ठीक है. एंड नाउ क्लोर प्रोथायोक्सिन, थायो ग्रुप आ गया. प्रो मीन्स फिनेंथ्रीन ग्रुप इज देयर. सो हमने इसको कर दिया. नो वी डन विथ xanthine, xanthine alkaloid, it is xanthine, one nitrogen atom and two methyl group over here. डायरेक्टली भी आप लिख सकते हो CH2 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 and N CH3 CH3. You can write like that also. We are having one chlorine atom, so we are going to write one chlorine atom over here. ठीक है. But benzodiazepine and its class, there we are having 7 membered ring. We are having 6 membered ring in this structure. We don't have 7 membered ring. Don't do don't do that mistake. हाँ. फ्लो में गड़बड़ मत कर देना. See the name of the drug, accordingly write the structure of the drug. ठीक है. Now from where should I start the numbering? Of course from this onward. ठीक है. अगर मैं यहाँ से नंबरिंग दूंगी then it will it will be near to this one chlorine atom. अगर मैं यहाँ से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करूंगी, of course it will get longest locant. It will also get longest location, but it will get near location if I am starting from this. So I need to give priority to this chlorine atom which is attached. Because of this chlorine atom, it will convert it into salt form. So wherever we are targeting, that will get binded with that target receptor easily, because we are going to give priority to this functionality. Presence of this atom will increase the activity of that drug. If SAR अगर हम देखेंगे इसका तो ठीक है. One, so we are going to give priority to the chlorine atom according to chemistry. 2, 3, 4, 5. देखो नंबरिंग आप गलत भी करके देखो, आपको समझ में आएगा. यस आई हैव डन द मिस्टेक, इसको यहाँ से होना चाहिए. जब गलती करोगे तब भी समझ में आएगा हम लोगों ने गलत किया है, तो हमको ये सही करना चाहिए. ठीक है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this one is 10. Listen. So here we are having one more double bond. मैंने कुछ one more double bond, 1 2 3 4. Okay, okay. No, it is not 7 membered ring. So it is not 7 membered ring. 7 membered ring होता तो मैं पूरे नंबरिंग इसको ऐसे दे सकती थी. It's not 7 membered ring. Listen. अगर 7 membered ring होता then मैं नंबरिंग वैसे ही देती जैसे मैंने दिया था. But it is phenanthrene, 3 cyclic ring, A ring, B ring and C ring we are having. So numbering to the A ring first, numbering to the A ring first, then B ring, then this one is a C ring behind the plane of paper. So 1 2 3 4 phenanthrene, 1 2 3 4 5 मैं इधर से नहीं स्टार्ट करूंगी बिकॉज दिस वन इज अ डिफरेंट विच इज बिहाइंड, these are in front. So 1 2 3 4 5 here, 6 here, 7 8, and this one is 9 and this one is 10. ठीक है, this one is 9 and this one is 10, this one is in sharing, this one is in sharing. ठीक है, ऐसे थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फिनैंथ्रीन का नंबरिंग जब आप देखोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा फिनैंथ्रीन ग्रुप का. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग टू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू द बेंजीन विच इज अटैच्ड फ्रॉम ईदर साइड ऑफ द सेंटर एटम, सेंटर मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है, सो नंबरिंग start from here, start with say whatever it may be 1 2 3 because double bond is there, nitrogen atom को priority देंगे, and we have done the numbering. Now see, IUPAC name for this one, IUPAC name for this one is very simple, not that much tedious. So here we are having the double bond, that's why it is an Z, Z configuration. So here we'll write 3Z because it is in Z configuration. This is, these are in front, this is behind, this we are having double bond over here. 3Z, okay, 3Z, third position Z, and of course at third position we are having 2 chlorothioxanthine, third position, third par hi. So we are having this one 2 chloro, chloro, full name I am going to write chlorothioxanthine, 2 chlorothioxanthine. ठीक है, so we have done with this 2 chlorothioxanthine. Still one more connection, 2 chlorothioxanthine on 9 to this 2 chlorothioxanthine at ninth position, connection connecting to that at ninth position we are having one alkyl group, elidine. ठीक है, alkene we are having. So elidine, now we are going to close this bracket. On third ninth position we are having elidine. इसका configuration already we have mentioned. ठीक है, the configuration we have already mentioned. Now the substitution is there, that substitution is NN, NN dimethyl, two methyl group we are having, NN dimethyl propane, propane, propane on first position, one amine, propane amine. See, so this one I have written at last. Okay, if you want you can start from NN dimethyl propane 1 amine 3Z 3 2 chlorothioxanthine 9 elidine, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो इसको, इसको फ्रंट में भी लिख सकते हो, but it won't look good that IUPAC name is not in a proper way. According to the rules stereochemistry we have to write first, any kind of stereochemical positions है तो वो लिख सकते हैं. अगर आप इसको ही पहले लिख रहे हो then you are writing this one later, then also it is correct name, but that is in not proper form. It indicates that student has written the IUPAC name to write the IUPAC name for the structure. He didn't follow the rules, because rule says that stereochemistry is there for the structure, then you have to mention before the prefix, you have to indicate in the form of prefix, not in the form of suffix later. इसको भी prefix रख के नाम लिख सकते हो या इसको भी prefix रख के नाम लिख सकते हो, इट्स अप टू यू, जैसे आपको फिजिबल लग रहा है एग्जाम में, जो आपको याद आ रहा है दैट you follow that, but the chemical name for the structure is this one. ठीक है, now coming to the part generic name, मैंने बोला था Traxol at the name of generic name of this drug. Uses simple, only one uses, this drug is not having any multiple uses, it is used as antipsychotic agent, multiple uses नहीं है इसके, that is one use antipsychotic agent, so that is derivative of thioxanthine, chlorprothiazide. chlorprothiazine. So we have done with this drug. Now we'll see next drug, chlorprothiazine. We are having time है, no, half an hour is there. We are going to wind up, पूरा ख़त्म कर देते हैं आज ही ये टॉपिक. Chlorprothiazine under the class of thioxanthine. Then second classification is dibenzoxazepine. Next, seventh class of the antipsychotic agent is dibenzoxazepines. Dibenzoxazepines, ठीक है, dibenzoxazepines, benzoxazepines, ठीक है. अब in this you are having one drug in your syllabus, that is loxapine. ये syllabus में है आपके. So this one, loxapine. Loxapine is a generic name for this drug. Then brand name of this drug. Brand name of this drug is Loxetane. Loxapine is a generic name belonging to the category of dibenzoxazepine. ठीक है. Loxetine is a brand name for loxapine. Then we'll see the structure of this drug, loxapine structure. So this is little bit big. Dibenzoxazepine. Zepine means we are having 7-membered ring. Z means we are having one nitrogen atom. Dibenz means we are having two benzyl group. So this basic nucleus itself says that how many kind of rings are there in the structure. So dibenz, one 7-membered ring we are having, one azo group, oxa group is also there. So 7-membered के अंदर नाइट्रोजन भी है और ऑक्सीजन भी है, ठीक है. So we have done with that. One double bond we are having over here. 7-membered ring हमने बना दिया. Then dibenzene rings were there. So those dibenzene ring we have drawn. So हो गया काम खत्म. So we are done with this dibenzene ring. See, oxazepine. So this is the brand name of this drug. Loxapine. This is a basic class for which this drug belongs. ठीक है. Then one connection is there, loxapine, dibenzoxazepine, loxapine. So we are having one connection like this on 7-membered ring. So this is the structure of loxapine. Sorry. Now, simple, very simple. Numbering is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 methyl, 4, 5, 5 और 6. ये ख़त्म हो गया, बात इसकी ख़त्म हो गई. Now see, here we can give the numbering in two direction. दो डायरेक्शन में हम लोग नंबरिंग दे सकते हैं. We can start from this. We can start from this or start from that. No, I'm going to start from this onward. 1, 2, 3, 4, because it is 7-membered ring. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10 and this one is 11. ठीक है. ये one way of giving numbering to this one. Another one way of giving numbering to the structure is from 6. यहाँ से भी start कर सकते हो आप नंबर देने का, और इधर you can start from this onward. 1 ग्रीन में जो मैं दे रही हूँ, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. Now this one is 5, this one is, जो ग्रीन में है वो रूल भी फॉलो कर सकते हो आप. इसका मतलब यू कैन फॉलो दिस रूल ऑल्सो. दिस वन इज 6, ऑफ कोर्स दिस वन इज 7, दिस वन इज 8, 9 एंड दिस वन इज 10 एंड दिस विल बिकम 11. अगर ऐसे आएंगे तो इट विल बिकम 11. सो यू फॉलो दिस, इधर यू फॉलो दैट. ठीक है. अब दोनों को पास, सी, I will write the IUPAC name according to both the labeling. You will come to know what is the difference. So here you are having one chlorine atom in the structure. इन द स्ट्रक्चर हियर यू आर हैविंग वन क्लोरीन एटम, ठीक है। आप इधर से भी नंबरिंग लिख सकते, जो रेड मार्क मैंने किए हैं दैट इज ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो, बट दिस वन इज ऑथेंटिक वन, यू कांट you can't start from methyl group, you have to start from this nitrogen atom because it is connected to this heavy molecule, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ पे कोई हेवी मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दैट ऑनवर्ड, वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस ऑनवर्ड, ठीक है। वी हैव डन, दोनों की दोनों आयुपैक नेम लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, वी कैन राइट द आयुपैक नेम फॉर बोथ द लेबलिंग, आई विल राइट वन, यू ट्राई टू राइट आयुपैक नेम फॉर सेकेंड वन। मैं एक लिखती हूँ, दूसरा कैसे हो सकता है, यू ट्राई, यू पीपल ट्राई आउट। टू क्लोरो, अगर मैं उधर से जाऊंगी दूसरे नाम सेकेंड आयुपैक नेम, देन इट इज 8 क्लोरो। some book they have mentioned the 2 chloro and some book they have mentioned the 8 chloro, ठीक है। so you don't get confused, you, if you are referring different books, the chemical name will be different because some author they have started the numbering from that onward, so they have give priority according to the rules दोनों सही है, ठीक है। लेकिन केमिकल नेम दूसरा आएगा अगर नंबर दूसरा आएगा, दोनों भी नाम आप लिख सकते हो। 2 क्लोरो इंस्टेड, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग ग्रीन देन इट इज 8 क्लोरो। 2 क्लोरो, आई एम फॉलोइंग रेड, ठीक है। यू फॉलो ग्रीन, then at the end tell me what kind of name it is. Don't make noise. 2 chloro, you try to write 2 chloro 11. On fourth position we are having methyl 1. Now this one is piperzinyl, okay, I have done. Dibenzene, of course, dibenz, sharing bond B and F, and 1 and 4, because it is 1 and 4, if we are doing dissection of this one, this will get, nitrogen will get number 1 and oxygen will get number 4, so it is 1 and 4, 1 4 oxazepine. And tell me what about chloro, you have done 8 chloro, किसी ने किया है? If I am following green, then it is 8 chloro. Check out whether it is right or not. 8 chloro, 6 position. Oh. Don't make noise. Otherwise, leave the classroom. या आफ्ताब आवाज क्यों कर रहे हो? 4 मिथाइल, डाउट है तो पूछो मुझे, इंटरप्ट मी इन बिटवीन बट डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स। 4 मिथाइल, अगर ग्रीन वाला फॉलो कर रहे हैं देन 4 मिथाइल पाइपरजीन 1 एल बेंजो, सेम रहेगा बट ये थोड़ा डिफरेंस रहेगा, 8 एंड 6, यहाँ पे 6 पे कनेक्शन है, यहाँ पे 11 पे, अगर रेड को फॉलो करोगे तो 11 पे, ग्रीन को फॉलो करोगे तो 6 पे, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग 6 ग्रीन देन 6, देन क्लोरीन 8 पोजीशन, बाकी का सारा सेम रहेगा, देयर विल नो अल्ट्रेशन इन द केमिकल नेम, बाकी का सारा सेम। डाइबेंजो, डाइबेंजो बी एंड एफ 1 and 4, oxazepine, 1 and 4 oxazepine, dibenz oxazepine or oxazepine, oxazepine, 7 member ring. So only the difference is 2 and 11, position of that substituent is different, बाकी का सारा same है, there is no alteration. Chemical name is over, this is belonging to the category of dibenzoxazepine. Then generic name, brand name, and uses of this drug is of course used in the treatment of antipsychosis, particularly in the treatment of schizophrenia. SCHIPHRENIA, schizophrenia, uses particularly in schizophrenia. ठीक है, is used as antipsychotic. Now next drug we are going to wind up, आज ही खत्म करते हैं. So this one is dibenzo diazepine class. So this one is eighth classification. From that you are having one drug, that is clozapine. Clozapine. So this is the generic name of this drug, dibenz, dibenzodiazepine. Azepine means 7-membered ring. Brand name of this drug is Liponex, clozapine, Liponex, or another one brand name of this drug is Clozaril. Clozaril. Dibenz, dibenzodiazepine. So this is the name of the class of derivative of the drug. Dibenzodiazepine means अपने पास क्या है, दो बेंजीन रिंग है. azepine means एक 7-membered रिंग है, नाइट्रोजन एटम है. Diazepine means we are having two nitrogen atom instead of oxygen atom, we are having nitrogen atom in this ring. So दो benzene ring, dibenzene. See, if you are in your examination, write the structure for clozapam, means it is, you have to, there you have to remember this is the derivative of dibenzodiazepine, then you will come to know which structure you are going to write. Don't write clonazepam के पास loxapam का structure, loxapam के पास clonazepam का structure मत लिख देना. ठीक है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो हो रहा है उसके ऊपर कंसंट्रेशन दो डेरिवेटिव का. The same structure we are having two nitrogen atom and methyl group, there is no difference. Then chlorine atom, only the difference in both the structure is we are having nitrogen atom. In clozapine we are having two nitrogen atom. In loxapine we are having one nitrogen atom and one oxygen atom in 7-membered ring. The numbering of course आपको पता है कहाँ से start करना है, you know where to start the numbering. 1 2 3 4, then we have to give priority to this 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Of course मैंने एक हाइड्रोजन एटम नहीं लिखा है, so I will write the hydrogen atom there. So here we are having one hydrogen atom. ठीक है, now we have done with the numbering हम इसको भी देना है हमको. We have to give the numbering for this also. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now on fourth position we are having methyl group, और इसका नाम बहुत छोटा है. तो नंबरिंग आप किधर से भी 8 को भी आप, जैसे इधर मैंने बोला था 2 को भी, वो ये डायरेक्शन में भी जा सकते हो नंबरिंग को, वो डायरेक्शन में भी जा सकते हो. बट रेड वाला मैं नहीं फॉलो करूँगी, मैं फॉलो करूँगी 8 वाला. देन यू राइट द नेम फॉर दैट रेड लेबल. अगर मैं 8 क्लोरीन आता है तो क्या नाम आता है. 8th पोजीशन पे क्लोरीन मीन्स आई हैव टू स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम विच ऑनवर्ड, from this onward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 8 आएगा. अगर मैं इधर से स्टार्ट करूंगी द क्लोरीन विल गेट 8 नंबरिंग. इफ आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑनवर्ड देन दिस क्लोरीन विल गेट 8 नंबरिंग. वहाँ पे फिर से आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. आई विल शो इन द ग्रीन फॉर्म. अगर मैं यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करूंगी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this one will be the 10 and this one will be the 11. अगर green से start करूँगी. I am going to follow the green one. You write the red. रेड वाले का नंबरिंग लिख दो आप. 2 क्लोरो वाले का मैं लिखती हूँ 8 क्लोरो वाले का. 8 क्लोरो, 8 क्लोरो ऑन 10th पोजीशन. मैं ग्रीन का फॉलो कर रही हूँ, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ऑन 10. अगर वो रेड का फॉलो होता तो इट इज 11. 10 4 methyl piperazine. पाइपरजीन वो ऊपर वाला स्ट्रक्चर, पाइपरजीन 4 methyl piperazine. On first position it is attached alkyl group. So we are going to close this one एंड फिफ्थ पोजीशन, इधर से आओ 50 मिलेगा इसको, इधर से भी आओ 50 मिलेगा. On fifth position we are having Hydra 5H. See, whatever it may be the labeling, only the difference is 8 and 11. अगर रेड वाला फॉलो कर रहे हो तो 2 क्लोरो 11 दिस piperazine. अगर ग्रीन वाला फॉलो कर रहे हो then it is 8 क्लोरो. ठीक है. So dibenz, it is belonging to the category of dibenzazepine, dibenzo, sharing bond, that is B and E, and major वाला ring का 1 and 4 numbering, di 1 4 diazepine. ठीक है. 1 4 diazepine. So this is the 8. Still 3 more structures are there. Now those 3 more structure we are going to discuss in next class. So this is about the drug belong to the category of antipsychotic agent. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट ड्रग. और एक ड्रग करेंगे नहीं? वन मोर ड्रग, शैल वी डिस्कस वन मोर ड्रग?
No, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. टेक केयर, take care, Allah Hafiz. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Two more drugs are there, we'll discuss it tomorrow, discuss those two drugs tomorrow. Plus we are going to start with the last topic of central nervous system. At the end of topic I am going to give you the notes, the remaining notes of this topic, that is drug bank plus synthesis. और एक बात, पीरियडिक के लिए ये पूरा फुल चैप्टर रहेगा आपके लिए. ठीक है, फुल CNS. ठीक है, गॉट इट. क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू.
Okay, ma'am.
लेकिन पढ़ाई अच्छे से करो, सब कुछ देखो और प्रैक्टिस करो. ट्राई टू राइट बाय योर ओन स्ट्रक्चर एंड लेबलिंग. ट्राई टू राइट बाय योर ओन. मेक प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइटिंग द स्ट्रक्चर. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इफ यू आर गिविंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, इफ इट इज, देन इट इज वेल एंड गुड, इज इंटरेस्टिंग. अगर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ही नहीं दे रहे, सिर्फ अटेंडेंस 70 हो गए यहाँ पे, अटेंडेंस मार्क करने के लिए आ रहे हो तो मत करो. हाँ, अटेंडेंस आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. मैं पहले से भी अटेंडेंस दे दूंगी, लेकिन जो सीखना है वो सीखो आप लोग. पहले भी मैं यही बोलती हूँ, आज